Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to connect Bluetooth devices to Vivo. If you are using a Vivo phone and now you want to connect with Bluetooth devices, so let's see how can you do this. For this you have two simple steps. The first method is that you just have to scroll down your control center and here look for Bluetooth. Here's that. Just keep a long press on it. Then tab on more Bluetooth settings. But if you won't get the settings here, you just have to go for settings. In settings, just look for Bluetooth and then tap on it, and then it will be open in your phone settings. Now, if you want to connect with new devices, so let's see how can you do this. As here you can see, there are some nearby available Bluetooth devices. You just have to select one which you want to connect. I'm going to select this one, so just tap on it, and after that your device will successfully connect to this device. So that's how you can easily connect with Bluetooth devices on Vivo. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.